Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how we can pair GPods with any Macbook. First of all, before the pairing, remember to input both earbuds inside the charging case, charge them for like 20 minutes, and also disconnect them from any previously connected devices. Next, you have to open this charging case, click on this button until this indicator starts blinking white. There we go. Right now you have to release that button, put them close to your MacBook, and then go to the Bluetooth settings, turn them on. Let's navigate from the standard system settings if you don't have this shortcut on your upper bar, and go to the Bluetooth. Just turn it on, and from the nearby devices list, select HHOGene GPods. We are connected, so right now I will recommend you to go for the sound and check if they are set up as the output and the input main device. That's all for this video. Hope you like it.